In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect ChatGPT with Calendly so they work together smoothly in your workflow. By the end, you'll understand how to set up an automation that lets ChatGPT talk directly to your Calendly account using a Zap without needing to write any code. First, let's talk about what we're actually building. We're going to use a tool called Zapier, which lets different apps communicate with each other. In Zapier, an automated workflow is called a Zap. A Zap is made up of a trigger, which is something that happens in one app, and an action, which is what should automatically happen in another app when that trigger occurs. In this case, we're going to set up a Zap where ChatGPT is involved as either the trigger, the action, or both, and Calendly will be connected as a tool within that ChatGPT step. To start, sign into your Zapier account in your browser. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it first. Once you're logged in, look for the option to create a new Zap, usually labeled Create Zap. At the top of the dashboard, click that to open a fresh workflow. Now you need to choose ChatGPT as the app that will participate in your Zap. In the search bar where it asks you to choose an app, type ChatGPT and select it. Depending on your setup, you may be using ChatGPT as the trigger, meaning some event or message in ChatGPT kicks off the workflow, or as the action, meaning the Zap sends information into ChatGPT after something else happens. For this tutorial, the important part is that ChatGPT is selected as one of the main apps in your Zap. Once ChatGPT is selected, you'll be prompted to choose a specific event or action. Pick the one that makes the most sense for how you want ChatGPT to interact with your other tools. Then, connect your ChatGPT account if Zapier asks you to do so, following the prompts on screen. This usually just involves approving access so Zapier can work with your ChatGPT workspace or configuration. With ChatGPT in place, the next step is to connect Calendly as what Zapier and ChatGPT call a tool. This means Calendly will be available for ChatGPT to use directly from within that Zap step. Inside the ChatGPT action configuration, look for a section related to tools or connected apps. There should be an option to add a tool, integration, or external service. Click to add a tool, then search for Calendly. Select Calendly from the list. At this point, you'll be prompted to connect your Calendly account. Log in if necessary and grant permission for Zapier and ChatGPT to access your Calendly data, such as event types and scheduled meetings. This connection allows ChatGPT to use Calendly functions like checking availability or creating events based on the instructions you define in your Zap. After Calendly is successfully added as a tool within the ChatGPT step, review your Zap configuration. Make sure ChatGPT is set up with the appropriate instructions and confirm that Calendly is listed as an available tool in that action. You can then test your Zap using Zapier's built-in test function. If everything looks good, turn the Zap on. That's all you need to connect ChatGPT with Calendly using a Zap and the Calendly tool inside the ChatGPT action.